Hello.
Praveen garu.
Yes, yes. A minute. Yes. Good morning. Thanks for joining today. Before we begin, can you briefly introduce yourself and your experience in ServiceNow, especially any modules? Could you please? Could you proceed?
Yes, Praveen. So yeah, let me quickly introduce myself. Sorry, just it's okay. So yeah, further let me quickly introduce myself. So yeah, so I am Ravindra and I have been working as a ServiceNow developer for the past 5 years. So I have worked on the ITSM and mostly on ITSM and integrations. So I have worked across all the major ITSM modules like incident, problem change, and request management, and the service catalog and knowledge management. So I have handled everything like automating the incidents and configuring approvals and requesting creating the flow workflows for the change requests and setting up knowledge articles for self services, and also I have built custom forms and catalog items and flows for using flows for flow designer, creating creating the automate the things like creating the tasks and sending notifications, and also worked on that scripting side like server side script like business rules, SELs script includes, and client client side stuff like client scripts and UI policies to enhance the user experience. And in terms of integrations, I have done the ServiceNow to ServiceNow integration. For example, syncing the two instances between the two, um, like syncing the incident and changes between the two instances, and as well as the external integrations like ServiceNow to Azure DevOps, where we created the automation of work items for incidents or changes, and syncing the states between the two instances using the REST APIs. And also, apart from that, and also I have holding my CSA certification and looking forward to complete my CAD in upcoming months. So that's about the myself and what the modules I have worked on.
Oh, great. Thank you. And well introduction. Let's
Thank you.
start. Let's start our interview.
Yeah, sure.
Are you comfortable now?
Yes.
If you feel any discomfort or difficulty, please intimate me.
Sorry.
If you feel any discomfort or
No,
tension,
no. Yeah, no. You
please,
can.
please relax. Please relax.
Yeah, sure. No, can proceed.
Okay, okay. So what's the incident life cycle?
So, like the incident life cycle, like it will the steps from creating the incident to the resolved state. So it will follow. So in that life cycle, the incidents are first it will created the incidents like and then they prioritized. So in the incidents are created from many ways, like from the service catalog, the service portal, or from directly to the using that email integrations. And next, it was the incidents are prioritized. So and routed to the assigned to, and in the next level it was assigned based on that the assignment rules. It was routed to the appropriate assignment groups. So, for example, the category is software, then it will goes to the assignment group as software group, like that. And then it was the assigned person like will work on that incident, like then in the stage of investigation. So once the investigation is completed, and the in the next it was to the resolved state. So in that resolved state, if the end user, like whoever the incident person, that he will satisfy with the resolution which was provided by the agent. Then he will when he was accepted, then the incident moved to the closed state. And also it was one state
Yes.
cancelled. So if the incidents are duplicated, or if it is not the incident, then it will also move, the incident also will be cancelled. So this is what the life cycle of the incident. So in that, we have, in that life cycle, the incident have the different states, like new, in progress, and resolved, cancelled.
Okay. What's the difference between incident and problem?
Incident, it's an incident is an unplanned interruption. You can say that, and the problem is when the recurring occurrence of incidents for the same issue from the multiple users, then it will the problem. Yes.
Okay. Incident is temporary solution, but problem is permanent fix. Am I correct?
Oh, yes. So in that we can find that a root cause, and can,
So in problem, we can find out the root cause.
yes.
Okay, it's fine. What is SLA?
So here SLA is in that SLA. So we can define that as how quickly the end user will get, like, the response or resolution for an incident. So it will define how can.
Okay. What are
Yes.
the stages involved in the SLA? Or different types of SLA?
So yeah, in SLAs we have the SLA, the service level agreement, like the provider between the end user, and we have the OLA. So it is the internal process for the internal purpose, and we have UC, unpinned configuration, right? So it is for like uh, the provider. It is the provider between the providers. That's
Okay. Yeah. How much strong you are in scripting?
so in scripting, based on the 0 to 5 scale, myself given I will give myself as 3.5.
3.5.
Yes.
Yeah, great. What are the different types of business rules?
So yeah, business rules. It's a business rules, a server side code. So it will execute when the database operations are occurred, like when a record is updated, created, or the table is queried. So in that business rules, we have the different types, like after business rule, before business rule, and async business rule, and display business rule. And in after business rule, the like the it will execute the rule. The logic will be executed before any action taken when the form is submitted and any action is taken onto the record in the database. So it is the before business rule. So and the after business rule is when the user submitted the form and the action and the action is taken on the record in the database. And this asynchronous is it will like so when the form is submitted and it will creates a scheduled job. So if any in that this scheduled job will run the database operation in the backend, and it won't wait for the response from that server, and will continue the next code.
Okay. What is the concept of scheduled jobs?
Scheduled jobs like it will is it to like we have to so it will run on like in some periodic, like we have to use it for run at a certain time period, like a daily, weekly, or a monthly. So it is when we use it these scheduled jobs, like for example to generate the reports for daily, for example daily at 8 a.m. So like that.
Okay, okay, okay. So I will ask scenario based questions. Let's say
Okay.
if an
Hmm.
instrument category is network, so it's automatically assigned to the network support. How will you do this through business rule? Did you get my point?
Okay. Category.
Incident
So
category, incident category is network.
okay. So it will assign to the
Automatically
network.
assigned to the network support.
Okay, right. We will use it in the business rule. We can achieve this assignment rule also by giving the category, and per particular category we have to assign the assignment group. One was the assignment rule, and we can using the business rule like mm, we can use it before business rule.
Okay, then
Before updation we can use before insert.
then could you brief the code?
For that code, uh,
If current dot category double equal to network and current dot assignment group, okay, then current dot assignment group dot set display value network support. That's it now.
okay, got it.
Okay. Then user tries to close the incident without filling resolution notes. How will you stop it? Did you get my point?
So yeah, for that we can use that on submit client script. So to validate the field, or we can set the resolution note field as mandatory when the state is moved to some resolved.
Okay, partially you did answered. It's okay. Uh, use on submit client script. Okay, it's fine. Okay. Then the script is if g underscore form dot get value close notes equal to, then alert message. We need to alert. Please enter resolution notes before closing. Then return false.
Okay, so it is in on submit
Yes,
client script code,
yes,
right?
yes. It's
Okay.
okay. Partially correct. Okay, it's fine. Then user reports SLA is not starting for some incidents. What will you check?
So, sorry, come again.
User reports SLA is not starting for some incidents.
Okay,
SLA is not working for some incidents.
okay.
What are the parameters will you check?
So the parameter first we have to check it was the condition in that in the SLA condition we have to check that.
Excellent. Good. Then
Mm. And then the condition and so the and also the table like it was assigned to that table or not.
you mean mapping. Am I correct?
Mapping, yes,
Yes,
yes, correct.
yes,
So it
yes.
was the SLA was mapped to that table or not
Yes.
like
Start and stop conditions are mapped or not.
that or not.
Then final step is check the workflow or logs.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
yeah, at least
Workflow
you
logs.
answered. Okay, it's great. Great. In change request, suppose change request created, but approval is not triggered. What can be this issue?
So approval is not triggered means then so first we have to check that in that flow is the approval is added or not. Like if
Yes, yes. Workflow enabled, attached or not.
attached or not.
Then
Mm,
approval activity configured or not. Change type logic, normal or standard. Then if
mm.
sys approvals generated or not. I mean approval requests generated or not.
Approval
You can check.
request generator. Okay.
Okay, okay. At least you answered something. Okay, it's fine.
Mm.
Then in CMDB, CA is not showing incident form. I mean, CA field show no results. What will you do? Configuration item field shows no results or not results. What will you do in this case?
In the instant form.
Yes.
Uh, for that, we have to check the dictionary entries, like if it is any restriction on that, like if any reference qualifier is active.
No. In that case, check the table CMDB underscore C8 entries exist or not. Then dictionary attribute reference is correct or not. Then user role has accessed or not. We have to check the user roles. Then finally, ACL permissions for CMDB underscore CA table. Did you understand? In that case,
Uh,
CA field
yes, yes,
shows no
yes.
results. In that case,
Mm,
what we will do means first check the table CMDB underscore CA entries exist or not. Then
mm.
dictionary attribute reference is correct or not. Then next step is user role has proper access or not. Finally,
Okay.
ACL
Mm,
permissions for CMDB underscore CA table. We need to check that.
mm.
Then what are the difference between the workflow and flow designer?
Sorry. So, sorry. Flow designer, like it's an drag and drop. So both are for automate the flow work process. So in Flow Designer, we can easily drag and drop the components like whatever, and it's a low code low code tool, and In workflow, it's a graphical representation. Like we can configure that the conditions and all this, and it's we can for complex scripts we can use the workflow. So flow designer will like it's a, we can in flow designer also we can use the complex code, but it's a the motto is like it's a no code low code tool. Yeah, that's
Yes. At what version you started your career?
I have started in Rome version 2020.
2020. Okay. Okay. How do you check your current version?
So to check the current version, we have used the stats dot to do in the filter navigation.
Okay, it's good. According to you, we have to check current version by stats.do. What are the other applications of or other uses of by checking stats.do?
Other users mean
For example, we can, as per your words, we'll check the version by stats.do. Along
right.
with version, what are the other uses, other main uses by using stats.do?
No, not getting.
Yes, yes. The answer is uh, for knowing the current version, we will check by the stats.do. And along with this, if the system is stuck or slow,
Hmm.
by applying stats.do, we can check this memory consuming or not. And if we any abstract in the integration or stuck of the integration, we will check by stats.do. In that memory, how much memory consumed, how much memory is stuck, and how much memory is free. By this way, we can check. In simple way, system fastness we can check by stats.do. System speed. Then
Okay, so it is for checking this version,
not
right?
only version, along with the speed of the service now,
Okay.
because it has more nodes. Nodes means different servers. Service
Yes.
now does not depend upon the single server because it's a cloud platform now. Multiple
Hmm.
servers are located. I
Right.
mean, multiple nodes
Yes.
are located. So in this nodes, speed depends on the different servers. By checking the nodes, we will conclude the speed of the service now.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
Yes. What is transform map?
So transform map is to import the data from the other system from different sources. Like if we are using like if for example, so we want the data from other systems like third party systems or something. If we want to import the data into ServiceNow, then we use the transfer map on. So by using this, we can get from different sources like Excel or a CSV format, we can get the data. And so we using the transform map, we can map it into the whatever the target table. So into that we can insert the all the records. So the
Okay.
process is like getting the defining the source, and then the it is so the data coming initially it is into the staging table. Then there we have used the transform map to map the fields from like from the in the target table to source table we can map the fields, and then we got using the transform map we can insert the data.
So what are the Glide APIs using in ServiceNow scripting?
Glide APIs, Like it is in server side or
Server side.
client.
Server side.
So server side Glide APIs, we use a Glide user and Glide record and Glide system or Glide date. These are the some Glide APIs.
In client side,
In client side, like the G underscore form, G for the form level data validations, and G underscore user for the getting the user details.
what is the GlideRecord?
So Glide Ajax is a method to call the server side script into the client side.
How do you call server side from client side?
So we use the glide Ajax method. So it will call the script include into the client script by defining in the client side. We have to define the script include name, and then we have to define the function and the function method, and then it will call the it will send we can send the parameters from the client side then to server side, then its server side will the logic run, and it send the response to the client side. So in the client side we have to extract that response, get and extract that response and set it into the fields.
Okay, good. What is the difference between UA policy and client script?
So in UI policy and client scripts both are works on client side. Um, so UI policy is for to set the field mandatory read only, or we can hide using the hide, and the client script also we can use that.
Whether scripting needed for the UA policy?
So we can use a script also in UI policy.
Okay. Which is faster,
Yes.
whether UA policy or client script?
So yeah, client script will work first, then UI policy next. If
UA po- sorry.
if the
UA
log
policy will work faster as compared to the client script because client script involved in the coding. UA policy does not that much coding. That's why it will depends won't depend on server. That's why it will execute easily as compared to the client script. UA policy will faster execute than client script.
it's okay, it's a fast. You are asking the faster.
Yes, yes, yes.
So yeah, okay. I said the first two. Which one is first run?
Okay, okay, okay. Fine, fine. Both are same. What is cabin change management?
Cabin change management? No, not beyond that.
It's a change advisory board. Is a group of stakeholders who review, access risks, and approve or result changes before implementation. Uh,
Okay,
they will check or evaluate the implementation before the change.
okay,
They will evaluate business impact is low or not. They will evaluate access, proper planning is done or not. No disruption to services because we need to implement into production now. That's why they will evaluate these are everything's by CAP team. What is root
okay.
cause analysis?
Sorry,
What is root cause analysis? Root cause analysis.
root cause analysis. So root cause analysis is finding the resolution for the problem.
So according to
So
you, it will identify the main cause of the issue.
issue, yeah, right.
Yes, yes, yes. What is knowledge management?
So knowledge management consists of the articles like the FAQs for self service.
For faster
Most
resolution?
so yeah, for fast resolutions to
Okay.
Like yeah.
Okay. Then what are the important roles in the ITSM?
So in ITSM, we have the important roles are ITL and ITL admin and admin role.
Okay. Did you perform the integrations?
Yes.
Okay. Could you please explain the errors of integration?
Errors means we will get the response codes, right?
Yes. Yes.
So one was the 404. So and so 404 means like mm, the record won't exit there, or the so whatever we are trying to reach out, but it won't exit in the server side. And the 500 error, yeah, that's it.
Okay. What integration did you perform?
So yeah, I performed integrations.
Okay. What's the difference between REST and SOAP integration?
So in REST, it will uses the JSON format, and in Excel, so in SOAP, it will use the XML format for the response, and REST will be
Okay. Which is more secure? Which integration is more secure as compared to REST or SOAP?
this SOAP integration is more secure.
Why?
So like it is
Because it is a legacy system.
yeah, it will be used
XML
in
format is
legacy.
involved. Because of XML
Uh,
format, it's complicated to the hack or complicated to break the code. That's why it's very
hmm,
secure. That's why mostly banking projects and government projects, we are using the SOAP integrations.
SOAP integrations. Okay.
Yes. And for the REST integration, we will use JSON format. That's why it's very simple and much faster than the SOAP integration. That's why mobile applications and some easy platforms, we can use the REST integrations.
Okay, got it.
Okay. That's it from my side. Any questions? Any further questions expecting from my side?
No, thank you.
Okay, thank you. We will conclude as early as possible regarding the
Yes.
progress of this interview.
Okay,
Thank you.
thank
The
you.
best.
Thank you.